Growing up, I remember taking family trips to Washington's southwest coast. We drove by Washaway Beach, which is an area where erosion has literally been washing away the community of North Cove. Homes and businesses were lost, and over time, the ocean erosion threatened 800 acres of cranberry farms. This would jeopardize more than half of Washington's total cranberry production, in addition to more homes and tribal lands. The future of North Cove was at risk. Jackson Blalock of the Pacific Conservation District showed me an example of the ocean's impacts here.
We're at the end of the road, right?
We are at the end of the road.
The road used to extend on out that way into what's now water.
That was a farm out there. There were cows out there. There was a school. There was a store. There was a hotel. There were several canneries.
North Cove resident Connie Allen and her late husband David, a cranberry farmer, rallied the community to form Washaway No More, a group that changed the area's future using cobble berms and rock.
At the end of 2017, we dropped our first load of rocks. This is a perfect area where you can back a truck in, unload it, and it falls down to, approximately where it needs to be. The water does the rest.
And so what do the rocks do that helps with the restoration?
Well, part of why this is a problem area is there's very large rock out there. The water hits that, it scours underneath, takes the sand out. So you'd have no beach when you do that, and it scours around that. So the idea here is you're building something that's meant to move.
It softens the blow a little bit.
It softens the blow.
If you're looking back here, you see kind of the beach goes up, obviously, and then there's the high point. Well, behind that, it really just drops down, right? And then you have the cranberry bogs, right? So they're basically at sea level. So when we're talking about this area right here we're working at, it's kind of the last line of defense for miles being inundated of active ag that's not just a local economy, but a local culture.
Between that and some planting and some other kind of adaptive management nature techniques, we have not lost any land there. And in fact, the beach is completely covered with new vegetation.
Yeah. But this work isn't cheap. Partners like the Shoalwater Bay Indian Tribe and the Pacific Conservation District helped Washaway No More secure funding for shoreline restoration, and the process is ongoing.
Part of our continual maintenance will be to restore rock in this area.
We've been involved in continual adaptive management of the work that's been happening, right? Yeah. You gotta say, well, how's this working? Well, let's come back and tweak it. And that's where ongoing funding through the Conservation Commission at the state has been really useful.
You've got a big project on your hands.
We do. We have to get away from the thinking of it as a project, as in a one and done thing.
Yeah.
And think of it as this is a process. But we're hoping to be here and be farming cranberries for a long time. Yeah. The alternative is not acceptable.
Right.